Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to create some Christmas ornaments, and these ornaments are from brush pen. These are auto-filled brush pen from a brand called Camel, and it is very simple to paint. So let's start with today's video. I'm sure you all can do it easily. So you can use any sheet, drawing sheet, or maybe watercolor, and then you can create multiple round shape, smaller, bigger, as per your need, as per your choice. You can make your own composition, and then with the help of brush pen we are going to paint all these. So when it comes to the brush pen, let me tell you this has a flexible tip, and you can create some wide element and some fine elements based on how you are using the stroke. So in the first bubble I'm going to create some pattern. These are random pattern. You can create any pattern as per your choice and as per your need. You don't have to copy mine. Even you can just paint the whole bubble randomly, that is also fine, but I'm creating a pattern based on my interest. So I'm doing something like this, having multiple curves and smaller and bigger in a sequence. And because I want to use similar kind of color in all the bubbles, so I'm creating some different kind of pattern into the another bubble as well. So now I'm using red color, and these are autofilled, so obviously we don't have choice to make it a little lighter and darker. But if you are using water a little bit, you can make little diluted color as well, but I'm not using those things. I want to keep this video simple, so I'm just adding some colors around the bubbles that we have, and that's all you have to do, to be frank. But let's see how it goes. So I have created some red patches into the another bubble as well, and because this is Christmas bubble, so I'm using neon color as well. So I have couple of neon colors as well in my set, so I'm using this neon yellow. But if you're using some different kind of brand wherein you don't have any neon color, totally fine, you can use any color whatever you like. Even you don't need to think which color combination goes well. I think you can randomly put all these colors in a random pattern, and that's it. That's all is needed. So I'm using same color for this one as well. And also, if you can keep a negative space in between, that is also fine. So do not fill anything and keep it white. I think that is something we should do. So I'm going to do it in one of the bubble, and now I'm using the lighter shade of orange color, and I'm creating pattern like this. And as you can see, I'm keeping the shape as per whatever shape I have earlier, and I'm just filling the area that I have. So in this one I'm going around the edge and filling the orange color across the area that is available. So something like this you can do. Now I'm using pink color, and I'm going in between area that we have, and I'm not overlapping any colors. As you can see, I'm just keeping two colors separated, and whatever shape I'm getting, these are random shape. I'm trying to fill those area with different colors that I have. So this one is pink color. I have three different shades of pink. This one is on the lighter side, and now as you can see, I have little space in between, so I don't want to fill that particular area, so I'm keeping that area white. So something like this also you can do. So we're done with two bubbles. Now let's do two more. So now you have understood what needs to be done. So again I'm going with the neon yellow color. You can choose only 2 colors, that is also fine. So in this one I'm trying to limit my color, and I have used neon yellow and I have used orange. So that's all I'm using for this particular one. And make sure you're not ruining the shape that we have, the round shape. So make sure you're doing it slowly and carefully when it comes to the edge. Now for this one you can again try to create different kind of pattern if needed. If this is not comfortable for you, just do it whatever you feel. You can also create some round shape or some teardrop kind of shape or anything whatever you like. And the last color that I wanted to use in this one is Indian yellow. This is little darker, and I think that's it. That's all we have to do for now. Now in this one, with the help of orange color, this one is little darker shade, and I'm creating some random zigzag pattern like this so that we can elevate the round shape better. And then you can create the crown of the bubble. So you can do the crown of the bubble with the help of pen, and I'm doing it for all the bubbles that we have. So create a squarish pattern and then put some random pattern around that particular area to make crown. It is very simple, nothing fancy, and then you can fill any color into that particular area. Now I'm using black pen to do some extra stuff in all the bubbles that we have, and this is something through which we can elevate the round shape better. So we are not trying to achieve the 3D kind of effect, but at least we can achieve 2D kind of effect is what I feel with the help of line and pattern. So for the first one I have created multiple curves from one end to another, and I'm creating 2 curves in a group, and then I'm trying to fill in between area. So I'm just creating some random pattern to fill that particular area. You can do anything like hatching, cross hatching, whatever you like. And because of these curve, now we can see the round shape better. I don't know whether I'm able to explain it or not, but I think you understood. So this is something we have done for the first bubble. Now likewise you can create different pattern altogether to elevate all the bubbles that we have. So in this one we have created something like this, but in the other 3 bubbles we are going to do very different kind of thing. So in this one I'm creating a teardrop kind of shape. So again these are not straight but little bit curvy, as you can see, and I'm doing it from top to the middle section, but you can do top to bottom as well, or you can do from both the side, like from bottom to top and top to bottom. And this shape is also something we can definitely use to make a 2D kind of effect is what I feel. So I have done something like this. You can use little bigger size pen, or else you can use colored pen as well, or you can do these things with the help of darker brush pen as well. That is also something you can definitely try, but I'm doing it with the help of pen because this one is the easiest way to do. Now in this one I'm not creating any pattern, but I'm just outlining the structure that we have. So I have different pattern, as you can see, so I'm just outlining those pattern. Now in the last one I'm creating some zigzag pattern going back and forth like this. You can do it vertically, you can do the same thing horizontally as well, and that's it. I think we are almost done with today's video. We just need to create the last string, and that's it. Hope this video is simple, easy, and if you are a beginner, I think definitely you should go with this one. I think this one is great idea for kids as well. So hope you have liked it, and thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video.